Hi, I'm Stefens, and I made a model of a multipolar neuron out of modeling clay. A multipolar neuron has many dendrites because it connects neurons to other neurons in the central nervous system. The soma is the cell body and it contains the nucleus. If the soma dies, the neuron dies. Here is the axon hillock, which gathers electrical potential to send down the axon. The axon is protected by a myelin sheath. The myelin sheath comes from glial cells called oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells, which wrap a protective layer around the axon. Since multipolar neurons only exist in the central nervous system, my model has a myelin sheath created by an oligodendrocyte cell, which is also only found in the central nervous system. Oligodendrocyte cells are one cell body that reaches multiple axons. Schwann cells, on the other hand, have multiple cell bodies on a single axon. The myelin sheath does not cover the entire length of the axon. The gaps in the myelin sheath are called nodes of Ranvier. A neuron communicates with other neurons through electrical impulses. Electrical potential gathers in the axon hillock after traveling down the dendrites and across the soma, or cell body. A process called summation happens at the axon hillock, where multiple electrical potentials combine to trigger an action potential to travel down the axon. The transmission of information down the axon occurs through changes in the electrical potential by the movement of ions across the membrane. The axon is depolarized and repolarized as the action potential moves through. The myelin sheath increases the efficiency of this process and prevents electrical shortages through contact with other neurons. The electrical impulses travel down the axon terminal and pass through to another cell through a synapse.